What's up everyone, I'm Nikhil from GreedyTech and this is the speed test between OPPO A3s and the Samsung J8. Now these are the specifications of both phones. Now OPPO A3s sports a Snapdragon 450 processor with Adreno 506 GPU, while the Samsung J8 sports the same Snapdragon 450 processor with Adreno 506 GPU. These are the benchmark scores. Purely based on raw performance and benchmark scores, both are the same. But let's see how they actually perform side by side. Now for the first speed test, I'll open the first 12 applications on both phones at the same time and you can see which phone opens them faster and how fast it actually is. After that, I'll do the memory management test and at the end, I'll do the speed test again just for the last 4 games. By the way, both the phones are connected to the same Wi-Fi network, both phones are updated to the latest operating system and all the apps have been updated to the latest version. So let's see how they perform. In the speed test, J8 is noticeably faster and more responsive than OPPO, so Samsung J8 is clearly the winner. Now for the memory management test, I'll open the same set of apps in the reverse order to see if they are still in memory. If they are in memory, they should open in less than a second at the same place where I left them earlier. So let's see how both the phones perform. In the memory management round, J8 was able to keep more apps in memory and even in terms of responsiveness while retrieving apps from memory, J8 was faster. Memory management is good on OPPO, but it has only 2 GB of RAM, so it can't keep more apps in memory. So on the whole, in the memory management round, J8 is the winner. Now for the final test, I'll open the last 4 games on both phones at the same time and you can see which phone opens them faster and how fast it actually is. While opening games, Samsung J8 was faster than OPPO. So guys, to wrap it up, even though both phones come with the same Snapdragon 450 processor, because of the difference in optimization, Samsung J8 is the winner in the speed test and the memory management test. So guys, that's pretty much it for this video. What's your take on the speed test and the memory management test? Do let me know by commenting below this video, and if you're planning to buy this phone, use the link in the description, it really helps the channel. If you want us to make any specific video, tweet out to us with the hashtag AskGreedyTech on Twitter and we will try to make it as soon as possible. I'm Nikhil from GreedyTech signing off. Have a nice day.